English together.
Welcome back to English Together. Today, we'll learn a few simple and useful adjectives through a conversation between Lisa and Tom. Let's get started.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
Hi, Lisa. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. Hey, do you see that cute dog over there?
Oh, yes. That dog is adorable.
Absolutely. It's small, fluffy, and friendly.
Definitely. And look at those beautiful flowers next to it.
Yes, they're colorful and vibrant.
I agree. Hey, speaking of colors, have you seen Sarah's new car?
Yes, I have. It's red, fast, and stylish.
Cool. I heard it's also expensive.
Yes, it is. But it's worth every penny.
I bet. By the way, have you tried the pizza from the new restaurant?
Yes, I have. It's delicious, cheesy, and mouth-watering.
Yum. I need to try it soon.
You definitely should. It's amazing.
Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem.
If you like this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends so that more people can get to know about it. Thank you for your support.
So, what are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to watch a funny movie with my friends.
That sounds fun. Which movie are you going to watch?
We're going to watch a hilarious comedy.
Great choice. I love funny movies too.
Awesome. We should watch one together sometime.
Definitely. I'd love that.
And these were some of the adjectives we used in our conversation. Did you catch them? Remember, repetition is the key to learning. If you need to, feel free to re-watch this video. It's also important to practice using these adjectives in your own conversations. Try using them with your friends, family, or even in front of the mirror. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become. Thanks for joining us today. Remember to give us a like, share the videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.